Welcome to Maths for You channel. Another past question on functions from Oxford and Cambridge past paper. The cubic polynomial fx is defined by fx equal 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. Given that x minus 3 is a factor of fx, express fx in a fully factorized form. Let's start with the first part. Fx equal 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x minus plus 3. X minus 3 is a factor, so it's a linear factor. The actual function is a cubic function. So the linear factor and the rest is quadratic. So fx can be x minus 3 times ax squared plus bx plus c. That's a quadratic function, a standard form. A, B, C are constant. So the fx is 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. At the same time, with the factor x minus 3, fx can be x minus 3 times ax squared plus bx plus c, that quadratic function. So if you equate them, the left-hand side x minus 3, ax squared plus bx plus c, right-hand side 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. So if you remove the brackets on the left-hand side, x times ax squared is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx, and then minus 3. Minus 3ax squared minus 3bx minus 3c. And the right-hand side, same, 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. Equating the respective coefficients now. This coefficient of x cubed on the left-hand side is only a, the right-hand side 2, so a equal 2. Equating the x squared, the coefficient of x squared, and the left-hand side b minus 3a. The right-hand side is minus 7. B equal 3a, the other side is plus 3a. A is 2, 3 times 2 minus 7 is minus 1. So that is minus 1b. Now it's just a number, or x to the power of 0 coefficient, that is minus 3c left-hand side, 3 the other side, right-hand side. So c equal minus 1. So that's all done. Fx now is x minus 3 times 2x squared plus minus x plus 1. That's a quadratic function, can easily be factorized, so I just put it across 2xx and minus 1 and 1. So the factors, the x minus 3, the factor has been given, and we found this factors 2x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So all in linear form, cubic function factors in linear form. Right, the second part, sketch the graph for y equal fx, indicating the coordinates of any points of intersection with axis. Right, okay, if you could, so y equal, fx equal, just fx equal, y equal fx. So yeah, y equal fx. So y equals 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. I just purposely wanted to write this as well in the factorized forms, x minus 3, x minus 1, 2x plus 1. So just to get that. So when x equals 0, that's y equal 3. X equal 1 is one of the factors. X equal 1, that is y equals 0. X equal 3, y equals 0. X equal minus half is y equals 0. So these are the points, 3 points. The graph will cut the x-axis, 1, 3, and minus half. And it will cut the y-axis at 0, so y equal 3. The actual function 2x cubed plus minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. If the function is a cubic function and the graph is like the first one, or the graph like this one. First one means if the coefficient of x cubed is positive, the graph will be sort of rising graph to start with, and this down, and then, or in other words, sort of the maximum point and minimum point, and if the a is less than 1, it's a minimum and maximum. So this is sort of decreasing and then rising. So, but we have 2x cubed, so the a is positive. Therefore, the graph is like that. But we know for sure that from these calculations, and this cuts the excess in three places. One, so minus half, and two is 1, the other one 3. So it cuts that, and then y-axis here. So it's this graph is simply done. It's done. So fx, second part, or third part. Right, solve the inequality fx less than 0, give you answer in set notations, or set notation. Right, so fx less than 0. So that if you look at the graph, anything less than below the x-axis is the less than, or the y values are negative. So here, from this side, on left-hand side of minus half is negative, and between 1 and 3 is negative. Those are the two areas. So less than minus half, and then between 1 and 3. So that the inequality satisfied is minus infinity and minus half 1, and the other one is 1 and 3. So greater than 1, less than 3. We can actually put equal, this greater than equal, that's equal, yeah, as well. So we can do that. So this one, greater equal, yeah. Then is they ask us to put in the form what they want, set notations. So therefore we actually give that value sort of minus infinity minus half, union 1 and 3. 1 and 3, those both minus infinity minus half, and 1 and 3. So that's the answer. Then the graph of y equal fx is transformed by a stretch parallel to the x-axis. Scale factor half, find the equation of the transform graph. That is quite simple. So fx is the actual function. So the fx is transformed by half parallel to x-axis means f just 2x, the instead of x is 2x. This is what it is. So transform graph equation is fx2, so f 2x, that's equal y, equal 2 times 2x cubed minus 7 times 2x squared minus 2 times 2x, sorry, plus 2 times 2x and plus 3. That is equal 8 times 2, 16x cubed minus 28x squared. 4 times 7 is 28, and plus 4x plus 3. That's the transformed equation when it's stretched parallel to x-axis by half. So it just half become 2 twice, just 2x. That's simple as that. That's it, yeah. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the contents with the students and friends. Thank you.